How to add another story on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a second story on Instagram if you've already posted one already. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and add your first story that you want to upload by tapping on your story button in the top left hand corner. And then here you just need to select whichever photo or video that you'd like to add to your story. And then next tap on your story button in the bottom left hand corner. Now that's pretty straightforward. Everyone knows how to post a story on Instagram, but as you'll see, if I look at my story button in the top left hand corner again, it doesn't give me the plus button anymore on my story. So one way to get around this is just swipe to the left, and you'll see it will now take me to a page where I can actually post another story. So I can just go ahead here, upload any pictures that I would like, or take a video, and then again just post this story in the normal way, and then you have added another story on your Instagram account. And that's what it takes to add another story on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.